Sir, only I.
Ma? Only?
Sir, only I. I am only there, sir.
Yeah, they will join. Okay, don't worry. Hmm? Okay, Chandana.
Okay, sir.
All right, just listen. The friends will join. Right. We'll see rational numbers, irrational numbers, that all we will see today. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let us see that. Okay, no? So what is a rational number? A general definition, we will see like a rational number is in the form of P by Q.
P by Q and P and Q are non
Now integers and Q not equal to 0.
0.
Suppose it is not happens, that is irrational. Okay. It is not happens means that is not P by Q, not integer, not 0 like that. So generally we will think like 10 by 7 is a rational number. We'll denote the rational number with letter Q, and 10 is also a rational number. So 10 is not in the form of P by Q. What can we say, Chandana?
It is a rational number because 10 by 1.
Yeah, very good, very good. 10 by 1 or 20 by 2 or 30 by 3, anything we will write.
Equivalent fraction.
Very good, very good. You are very good in math. Next we'll go for, I will write some numbers here. You tell me which is rational, which is not rational. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Here I will write root 2, 2 by 0.
Irrational, root 2.
1 by 1, 1 second, 0 by 2, and 2 root 2 by root 2. Now tell me, first one is what?
Irrational number.
Irrational number. Second one?
2 by 0 is not possible. 0 by 2 undefined. Root 2 root 2 by root 2, root 2 get cancelled and 2 is rational number.
Okay. But it did not give clear explanation about second and third, Chandana. First and last are correct, exactly you said, but I didn't get clear explanation about second and third. Once again, think and tell. This is correct, this is correct.
Sir, is 0 by 2 is possible?
Okay, possible, this value. Are
is
you
it
saying
possible, sir?
You are asking me, okay. I don't know, you tell me. 0 by 2, 2 by 0. We have a confusion over there. Suppose 2 by 0 in the sense 2 divided by 0. 0 by 2 in the sense 0 divided by 2. Okay, na Chandana? So I will divide with
yes,
2 with 0, I will divide. And here 0 with 2, I will divide. And I will write here, Chandana, what I will write, you know. 0 table I will write here, Chandana. 0 table. 0 1s are, 0 2s are, 0 0s are, 0 3s are, I am writing. No, you never write like this table. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Till now, did you write 0 table? Is any teacher asked you?
No, sir.
No. Okay, right. Now I am writing. That is, now here 2 table I will write, Chandana. 2 1s are I will write. 2 2s are I will write. 2 3s are I will write. Because I know 2 table right from my childhood, so that I am writing. 2 zeros are 0. Generally, we will write from 2 1s onwards. But I will include 2 zeros also, Chandana. Okay, no?
Okay,
so,
sir.
2 zeros are how much I got? 2 zeros are
0.
so I can write here 0 times. So 0 times. This is okay. So your question is clarified, I think. Now this is possible.
Okay.
This is
Sir,
possible.
0 by 2 infinite, sir.
0 by 2 infinite. Hasini? Hasini?
Yes, sir.
I didn't conclude. Just I'm doing what Chandana is saying. That only I'm doing. I didn't say anything. Chandana, did I explain anything? Just I'm doing divisions, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hasini, just a sec. Just listen, Anna, Hasini. Possible in the sense
Okay, sir.
0 by 2. If I divide, I got the quotient. Here I'm getting proper quotient here. That is 0. Okay, both of you, listen. Any division is possible or not, we will decide the quotient we are getting or not. Yes, I got the quotient 0. So it is possible. It's not infinity, it's not undefined. 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, got the answer, both of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
2 by 0 is it is not possible, sir.
why? Here I'm writing 0 table. Wait, I'm learning 0 table here. Let me learn. 0 0, sir, how much? Tell me.
0, sir.
0 0, sir, 0. Okay. 0 1, sir.
0.
Asini will not tell. 0 2, sir.
0, sir.
0 3, sir.
0, sir.
0. So what number I should take? I will get 2 here. I'm not getting 2 here. What I'm getting? You're saying all zeros only. Please tell me 2 here to complete this division. Asni and Chandana.
Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, sir.
So what shall I do here? I want 2 here. I don't know. I want 2. 0 into some number. I want 0. 2. Asni and Chandana. Then what shall I write here? Tell me. Give me the conclusion. Say, no problem, you can say. Asni.
2 by 0 is not irrational, neither irrational nor rational.
Then what is that? Chandana, you are going to again rational, irrational. My question is 0 into how much is 2?
It is not at all possible, na, sir.
You again, you are questioning me. Question answer is answer or question? Chandana? I'm asking 0 into how much is 2? Will you get or not? Tell me.
No, sir.
Asni will get. Asni, are you there? Asni searching Google. Asni, are you there, ma? Okay.
No, sir, I'm not using Google. I'm just thinking.
Oh, then you are not talking. Okay, tell me then 0 into how much is 2? We never get, right?
Yes,
never
sir.
Get. Then this quotient we will not get. This is we will not get. Then this is we will not get. It's not defined. What is this? What is this? Undefined. Okay. So now we got a proper clarification about 2 by. We always gets confusion in these two cases. Just now you both have get confused. 2 by 0 undefined and 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, no, you should not forget again. This is the reason behind this. If anyone asks you why it is not defined, means again we will get question mark. This is the reason. We never get 2 in 0 table. That's all. We get 0 in 2 table. Okay. We get 0 in 2 table. 2 zeros are 0. So it is defined. That is a 0. We never get 2 in 0 table. Or any number we can never get in 0 table. So we never define quotient. We never define remainder. That's what it is, an undefined value. Maths undefined means it's not at all defined. It's not infinity. Again, we don't use the term infinity, Nana, here. Infinity will not be used here. Okay, please be careful. Again, infinity is different. Infinity means what is the biggest natural number? Can anyone say? Both of you.
Infinity.
Yes, that is infinity because there is a number, but we don't know particularly. There is a number, but undefined means it not come, it never come like that. Difference between infinity and undefined. We don't use the undefined and infinity in the same cases. Okay, no?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Cleared? See, in the small question, this much explanation is there. Now, what we have discussed is concept we have discussed. Got it, no? Right. Next question for you. I'm going to the next question. Just a minute. I'll open the page. Yeah, right. Here I'm going to the next question. Yes, I'm writing some numbers again here. Please tell me which is rational and irrational. That is again your question. Just work on the paper and do me. First one, 3 plus root 5. Second one, 3 minus root 5. Third one, root 5 into root 5. Fourth one, 4 into 4 root 5. Fifth one, 3 plus root 2 analysis into 3 minus root 2. Now just calculate and tell me. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. No problem. Okay, no? Which is irrational, you have to tell. I think you have been completed this chapter 1 in your school, so that you're very familiar of all this.
Sir, first irrational, second irrational, third rational, fourth irrational, fifth rational.
Okay. Asini, your answers? Asini left. Okay, she'll be back. No problem. Yeah, first one irrational, Chandana. You are correct. Second one is also irrational. And third one rational. And here irrational. And this is rational because it is like a plus b into a minus b, no?
A square plus a square minus b square.
Very good, very good. 3 minus 2 is 1, which is a rational number.
3 square na, sir? 3 3s are 9 minus 2.
9 minus 2, how much? No, 7. Yeah, 7 is a
7.
rational. Very good, very good. And Chandana, you got 5 on 5 in this questions. Now next question. Take the question here. Please work on it. $2.23607 and first one root 45 value and second one root 80 value and third one root 125. Chandana, please write. Chandana, are you there?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after point, can we take only 2 digits?
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Correct up to 2 decimal places.
Sir, first answer 6.69.
Second answer 6.69. Very good.
8.92, sir, second.
Okay.
Sir, third answer 11.15.
Very good. Very good. All the three are correct. Well done. You're well in math. No problem.
ఫీజు యొక్క లింక్స్ మీకు మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది.
Next. See this sum. And you have idea about rationalizing factor, Chandana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next question is find the rationalizing factor sum. RF, simplest RFs, not RF, simplest RF. Simplest RFs will do. And I'll give the matching like group A and group B will go. So let's take 5 questions here. Three root 3, root 12, root 108, 2 root 192, 18, A, B, C, D. Root 12, root 3, 108, 2 root 9. This try now.
Sir, first B,
Okay.
second A,
Second, have you simplified second one? Root 12 simplified, tell me first. Root 12, if you simplify, what you will get here? 2 square into 3 now? You will get 2 root 3 now?
yes, sir, 2
What will be the answer?
root 3.
But you're saying A?
But,
Simplest I asked, simplest. This is also correct, but simplest is no? Question is simplest, no?
sir, but,
Yeah.
is this match the following, sir?
Yes.
Then one option cannot be for 2, na, sir?
Yes, we can. In competitive exams, it will be.
Okay.
Generally, we don't have in our regular exams, but in competitive exams, one option can take 2 questions.
Okay, sir. Sir, third one C.
Third one, C. Have you simplified root 108?
Simplify.
What did you get? Tell me the answer. 108. Just do the LCM. See, I got this like. I got 6 root 3, Chandana.
6 root 3 answer.
Again, you got confusion, no? Okay, next. What about cube root 192? Cube root 192. Now your task starts. Cube root 192.
Sir, 4 root 3. B, sir, option.
So this is also you say root 3 only.
Root
Okay, no?
3.
But here we'll say this is order of irrational or rational
Order
or
of
third. Okay, this is third. No. 1 second. Yeah. What is the order here? 3. Yes, no? 3 is the order, no?
yes, sir.
But till here,
Order.
first, second, third order is 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But order is changed. That means these are cube roots. So if I express or taking LCM and all, 108, once you check Chandana, 108 I express like 2 square, 3 square. I try to express as power 2, no? Okay? Okay, no?
Yes.
Once again I am writing. Here under root 108 I will write. And cube root 192 I will write. 108 I wrote like 2 square into 3 square into 2 I wrote. Because here I got LCM 2 into 2 into, sorry, this is also 3 only. 3 into 3 into 3 I got. But I did not write this as 3 power 3. I wrote 3 power 2 only because order is 2. Order means this is square root. Okay? Order means square root. So that I have to express, I should express power 2. Then only I can cancel this. I will write like this. I can cancel this and this. I will get like this. So we got that only, no? Okay, Chandana, Akanksha, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we got 6 root 3. But in this, what is the order? What is the order here?
3.
3. So that what I will do, I should express power 3. So I'm doing the LCM 96. Yes.
2 cube into 2 cube into 3.
Into 3. Yeah? Okay. That means 64 into 3, right? That is only you are saying? Yeah, right. Very good. So you will write like this now. 2 cube into, what did you say? 2 cube into 3, right?
2 cube into 3.
I will separate them. No. I just separated. And here I will cancel this. Here I will cancel this. I will get 2 into cube root 3 I got. Then I will get 4 cube root 3. And remember Chandana and Akansh, here we did not get RF. We just simplified, that's all. We just simplified the given number. Here 108, we just simplified and we got 6 root 3. And now we shall find the RF for cube root 3. That is our task. Okay. RF for cube root 3 we shall find. In the above question, RF for root 3, you said root 3. May I know why? Can anyone of you say? RF for 6 root 3 is root 3. Why like that? Why it is not root 2?
Yes, sir.
Why it is not root 2, Nano?
Rational factor of root x is equals to root x.
So root 3 in the sense you will say root 3. Because root x into root x, you will get a root irrational numbers like root x into root x, you will get x. Based on that, you said. But here, the second question, cube root 3. Okay. So if you say cube root 3 into cube root 3, what I will get? I will write in the same number like inside 3 into 3.
3 into 3.
What I got here? 3 power 2 I
9.
got, no? But root is not going. Our concept root should go up, no? Yes, no. RF in the sense, if you multiply with RF, root should go away. But here it's not going. Then what is the RF?
Root 3.
So you are saying root. I shall multiply with root 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm trying to multiply. I will multiply with this. Then how can I take this inside? It's not go inside now. This order is 3, this order is 2. We can't multiply. Only same order only we can multiply. Root x we can multiply. Cube root x we can multiply. And fourth root x only we can multiply. That is the rule again we have. Again, if you multiply with only root 3, it's not go inside and it not come again like rational number. Got it? Akanksha and Chandana, what I said. You understand my point, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Akash, you already know. Let her think. Chandana,
Yes, sir.
are you in thinking? I think so. Am I right?
Sir.
Yeah. Think. Take your time to think. Yeah. Let me give the clarification. We will open the next page. So we have the value cube root 192 is 4 cube root 3. That is the value. So cube root 192 RF we are trying to find. We got 4 cube root 3. I said cube root 3. If I multiply with root 3, I can't multiply. Then I want same order, means cube only I want. Then how shall I know? I will write it as power notation. I think you know this, how to write power form. You know, no? Chandana, do you know or not?
Yes, sir.
See, here 1
And
by
root
3.
a is equals to a power.
Yeah. Nth root a is equal to a power 1 by n. Very good. So here this becomes 1 now. So we add something, we should get 1. 1 by 3 plus how much is 1?
2 by 3.
Very good. 2 by 3 is correct. Now RF we got 3 power 2 by 3. Means separate again this 3 power 2 power 1 by 3 cube root 3 square is the RF now. Got it? Cube root 3 square. Now I will multiply. What I will get, I will see. Cube root 3 into cube root 3 square. I will multiply. Same order we have. And I will write like this 3 into 3 square. 3 into 3 square is 3 power 3. No? Cancel. What I get here? Rational number only. No? Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Chandana understood?
Yes.
Now our answer is cube root 9. Our answer is cube root 9. Okay. Now you got to understand how to find the RF other than square root. Okay, Chandana?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, we can find the RF for 4th root 3. What will get, you know?
4 root 3 power 3.
Very good. And like 5th root 3?
5th root 3 power 4.
Very good. Hope you understand math class, Chandana.
Yes, sir.
Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not like our regular. We will go to little next level now. Okay. And in our regular math, we learn up to here. But here we just go to the little extension. The two concept, through concept only. Okay, now? Okay, ma?
Okay, sir.
Right, Nana. We shall continue next class, and that's all for today. And Akansh, you have joined today late.
Yes, sir, because I don't know that from today trial classes are completed. Sir. Now itself, just now itself, I got the new link, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, Nana, Chandana, Akansh, we shall meet in the next class, and you have next class now, biology. Next class is biology within 5 minutes. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Chandana, take care. Bye.
Okay, sir.